Hey, everybody. Welcome, 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 welcome. In the middle of it. Don't call, Jean. Please, don't call. I'm live. That was my mother-in-law. Hi, Jean. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this book release. And the book that I'm talking about is Reflections, which is a story of hope, healing, facing fears, and finding purpose. And if you have been with me during the day, you know that I have been posting little things all during the day, like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, just fun little teasers, just to make you come here now. And I have lots of fun to share with you for this book release here. We will be talking to some of Brian's friends and collaborators. They will be telling some stories. I've heard some of them. It'll be fun. And I'll also be talking a little bit about the book. I will also invite you actually to a talk, a webinar, because I was supposed to have done a whole book tour this summer in the States, which is not going to happen, obviously, due to the corona. And I was prepared to go out there and talk and sign books and everything like that. So instead, I'm here doing it in my living room. But just because of that, I want to be out talking about the book. So I'm offering also a free talk, a webinar, but I will talk more about that later. There will also be talk about some workshops and so on that'll come up, and then also a video. Please stay till the very end, because I'm showing you a new video that hasn't been shown yet, and it is a lot of Brian's friends and collaborators, singers, who are actually reading texts from the book, and I put it together in a video, and you don't want to miss that. So there are a lot of things going to happen today, and I will shortly hook up with 3 guys here over Zoom, and I will be Zooming them live onto Facebook here. Fingers crossed. And while I do that, I want to share a video with you, a video that I made a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, that tells a little bit about the background of the book. So I will put that on right now, watch it, and after that I'm gonna come on live again. Okay, so I'll see you soon again. Bye.